We are finally making some progress on the concrete pad for our shed. The footings have been set, the gravel's been tamped, and the forms are in place. We are ready to go. Now, if we could just get the weather to cooperate. Of course, we had to pick the hottest day of the season to load the concrete, an entire pallet just for our small 9x16 concrete pad.
It's happening! We're pouring concrete today. It has been a long journey to get here, between weather and tragedies and disasters with the house and things that have to be fixed and animals and pests and what else? I mean, we have had one delay after another, but we finally got it together. The forms are up. We're gonna do our first batch of concrete this morning. We've got a large pad to pour, and so we're going to do it in sections, and you'll get to come along for the journey. So if you like these types of videos and you want to see more, just hit the like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe, because we bring out videos like this whenever we have a new project, which, you know, on a 101-year-old farmhouse is pretty much every day. All right, so here we go. We're gonna pour the first bit today down in the concrete footings, and it's just Mark and I pouring the form, so we're doing it in 3 sections over 3 days because it's hot, we're old, we're fat, and we have no idea what we're doing. So one step at a time. Okay, here's where we are. We've got our footings in. We used some rebar and mortar just to hold them in place while we got the gravel in, and the gravel is now flat and tamped, and the boards are up for the framing, and hopefully this is all going to work out.
Yeah, it seems, the combination seems to be, I can do half, it mixes pretty well. And then I got to do a third and a third. For the first one?
Yep.
Okay. All right, next. Coming up.
There's too much water in it. There's way too much water in it. Did you use the measure?
Yeah,
What'd you do?
I might add a little more water.
No. They're in there forever.
1,000 years from now, an archaeologist will dig that out, find that carcass of that spider, and go, stupid spider.
Alright. You want to start?
Mixing.
Yep. Go ahead. Oh, you're breaking.
Yeah.
Stop taking breaks, Strong.
How dare you enjoy yourself on company time? All right. Ready? Where do you want it? Okay.
How much water are you putting in? This one's perfect. This one had way too much water.
I suppose the same every time. So that's what I'm saying. I don't think their mix is consistent. Some feels more gravelly, some feels looser.
Perfect. Look at that. We got a first row of concrete dumped, so now we're going to try to screed. We'll see how that goes.
Are we ready?
Okay. So just little shimmies. It doesn't really matter the shimmying part. We're just trying to get.
Find out where the high and low spots are. We got a lot of low spots.
Yeah, that's my feeling. So we got to pour a whole nother bag right there.
Next bag coming up.
Epic fail. Need more concrete.
Ready?
Attempt number 2. Pick up the board, move it back to the beginning.
Put it there. You're like a master mason. We got to start from there, screech again.
You ready?
Ready. Stop. Okay.
Wait. Stand up, get your blood out of your head. Look how good we are.
Looking good, babe. I'm sure there's cement makers, professionals that are looking at going, they're making all the mistakes, but oh well.
Ready?
Ready.
I think this is about as far as we can go. So a little bit further, find a hole. Alright, that's good. Bring it back to the beginning. Put it there. Alright, let's start pouring more concrete.
It's starting to look like a pad.
Dang, the leaves getting in my concrete. Go that way. How you doing, babe? You want me to lift some bags for a while? I can carry some buckets.
I might have you do that.
Alright. Thanks. This is really setting up fast now.
It's gonna work out just about perfect because it's just really starting to get hot.
Yep. Oh yeah, the top water is like almost gone, so we gotta get screening on there.
Okay, there it goes. Last bucket. First thing. Okay. Keep working.
That is perfect. Wow. Ready?
Ready.
Back and forth. We want to make that water come up. There we go. That's better. Okay. Back and forth a lot and let's move forward motion. Back and forth. Okay, stop right there. That looks pretty good. Can you believe that?
Okay.
I think we're going to end up pushing.
So long as we can get that board out.
Yeah. Oh, we'll see. Okay, ready?
Ready.
Lots of back and forth. Not as much forward motion. There we go. We want to make that cream come to the top. Right to the board. Good. Pick up the board. Put it on the side. All right. So now we're gonna give this maybe 20 minutes or so.
I've only seen it done. I've never actually done it.
Yeah.
Look at that. It looks like a city street corner.
You know, skills. Okay, this is like the coolest tool. It's a little edger and it makes this round edge. And this being just a storage pad thing, doesn't really matter, but it sure looks nice, so we've decided to do it. Looks just like the sidewalks at home. Get that leaf off my beautiful concrete. So we're, what, 3 or 4 hours after pouring the concrete, and I gotta say, it looks pretty darn good. It's not perfect, and we didn't do the magnesium troweling finish because we don't really need that. I was just gonna get a shed that's gonna cover the entire thing, so now we're just trying to slow down the curing process, keep it even, and look how good he looks holding on to that hose. Day 2. We're going to do this little center pad in here and see how it goes. Mark's going to remove this, the board in the center that we had to do that section, and then we're going to go for it. Walking on the pad, walking on the pad. That, like that, and I think I'll just leave that and I'll go do the other side. Ah, oh, son of a biscuit eater. See? You know, the nice thing about concrete is pretty forgiving. Just go like back over here. Give it a little love, a little pat. Good as new. All right. Hey, look at that. Mark is watering the 2 pads. We got the center one done yesterday. We're so excited. It turned out really nice. This is our project for this morning. So hopefully this means the pad will be complete and we can start putting up the shed. Whew! Feel good about it. I haven't been to the gym in a while because this is my exercise. 4 bags, 60 pounds each, 240-pound pull. Ready? Woo! Perfection! On the edge. Perfect. Pick up the board. Let's carry it to the end. All the way up. We're done. We're not touching it anymore. Good. Victory! Yay! Okay, the concrete has been hardening. The final section has been hardening for 3 days. So we're going to remove the forms and reveal the beautiful concrete. Woohoo! Nice screwing skills. Now the jet stakes. You're looking very camouflaged today.
I don't want people to see me.
Perhaps you shouldn't be on video then.
Oh, okay.
It'll come off. Just hit it.
Okay.
No problem.
WD-40, great trick.
Look it, it's beautiful. Are you okay?
I got a sliver.
Oh, I'll get it. Let me see your sliver. Thumbs up, baby. Anytime you are trying something new and you are unsure of the process, things can get a little rocky. Add some heat and humidity to the situation, and you're bound to hit a bump or two. But we learned, with a little patience, a touch of kindness, and a lot of humor, those rough spots smooth right out. And in the end,
you will have formed a very solid foundation.